Hi everyone, this is Dee, and today we're going to be doing some fertilizing my fruit trees. We had a lot of rain a few days ago, and tomorrow we're going to be getting more rain, so I thought it would be a great idea to just come out here and fertilize my fruit trees. And also while I'm here, I am going to be doing more planting. Before we fertilize, I want to show you this right here. This is my green plum tree. It just arrived yesterday, and I've been wanting to buy this tree for a very long time. It is green, sour green egg or something like that, and I'm just telling you, I cannot wait until it starts fruiting, because just thinking about it, it makes my mouth watery. So I am gonna also apply just maybe one stick for this one, and then other one's gonna get 2 stick, because those 2 on there, they're established already. So what I'm gonna use for fertilizing, I'm gonna use this right over here. I used this before, I did have great success, so I'm gonna use them on my fruit trees as well. So for this one, I think, I don't know if I'm close or not, but oh my gosh, I hope, just if I can even do it. I'm gonna, okay. Oh well, we did have maybe a little success. I'm just gonna push it right here. I think this is gonna give me a little hard time. All right, so let's see how this tree does in the next week or maybe a month or something. I might add another one, I'm not sure. And let's go to this one. I'm gonna, so according to this, let me see how much I'm supposed to give. If 6 feet 3 spikes, 4 feet 1 spike, use a diameter to drip line of the tree or shrub as a guide to determine the number of spikes needed. Well, I don't know what it needs. Okay, maybe I'll do 1 2 for this one too. Let's see. 3, oh no, once, what did you say? 4 feet. What is 4 feet? How do you even like calculate this? I don't know. All right, well, let me just put it over here. Let's see. I mean, this is not, this is okay, okay, this fruit tree, we just received this and it is new, but other 2, they are a year old already. So I feel like I want to give every one of them one for now to see how it does. And according to the packaging, I'm supposed to fertilize them only twice a year, one in the fall and one in the early spring. Okay. Oh, I don't think this is gonna work. It's gonna be quite hard. Oh, looks like I need to. Okay. And this. That was interesting. Okay. Oh my goodness. All right, I think this is gonna be challenging right over here. Now, should I do this tomorrow? Okay, I'm gonna do this tomorrow, not today, because I think I have to really, I'm gonna give this 2, and it's gonna be probably difficult to plant in. I might have to dig out some dirt. So in this is another project that I have for my garden. I will be putting like a border around it and put mulch in here. So this is just, it's one of those weekends that I have to come out here and do this. It's not gonna stay like this forever. All right, so that's done. So we're just gonna do this tomorrow. All right, let's see what else is here. All right, well, let's do the planting of my cucumbers. If I can dig out the dirt, I might be able to do that. So let's do the cucumbers. Just gonna put the zucchini right here and this fertilizer. So I have 4 cherry plants here, and in between of them, each of this, I'm gonna put some cucumber seeds so it can just go up. I'm gonna throw a few seeds in there. Because I don't know how it's gonna be. So, but before I think so, if you have something like this in your garden, you better keep it. Don't throw it away. This is what I'm gonna do. Look, I'm just gonna make a hole like this, like this. Maybe it's too deep. That might be just too deep. Okay, that's perfect. And then I'm going to throw a few seeds in there, just like this. Okay, that's perfect. So, and then I'm going to close it like this. Hopefully they get nice and wet overnight. There we go. Don't remove. All right, let's cover over here. Let's do the same. Let's do the same over here. So, there we go. Now this is perfect. There we go. Let's just loosen up the soil just a little bit. Perfect. And then again, put a few cucumber seeds in there. I have plenty, so I can waste a few. So there we go. No, I actually don't want this in there. Okay. I never thought I would use something like this for the garden. So while I'm here, I want to show you something. You see this right here? Leaves that's on the bottom, they are growing. So that start to root, and roots start to expand already. So that's a really, really good sign. But now it's time for me to come out here, and I'm gonna be cutting all this bottom leaves. And it is like this over here too. So look at the new growth over there. See right here? There's so much growth. And well, oh, you know what? I have this here. I can go ahead and dig some dirt out, and okay. So let's do this. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'll be honest with you, I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right, but hopefully in the next few weeks I will have this area all figured out. Look at this stuff. Things start to grow. They look so pretty right here. Oh, I want to show you something. This is just so adorable. You see these plants right here? They start to flower. Oh my goodness, they're so adorable. I can't believe these are so cute. Like, they're incredible, and they are ready. And this weekend I'm gonna come out here and take care of these plants and pot them and put somewhere else because they are so just gorgeous. I love that yellow and the purple color. My onions, some of my onions are doing really good too. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh my gosh, if I didn't see this I would just walk away. All right, well, let's see. I need this again. Okay, I think I'm gonna do, that's too close to the plants over there. Maybe one over here. Yeah, one over there. And yes, another one over here. I don't know about this one. It might not do well, but okay, I'll just put one over here too. Because certain things I know by the time you get the nice dirt that's there. One is good. It's gonna be a gray zucchini, and the other one going to be a yellow, early yellow straight neck. This package has not even opened yet. I just opened it right now, and it is from 2014. So I'm gonna actually put in here 3 seeds. I'm not sure if it's all gonna make it, but they look really healthy. I think they will do fine. So just put this here too. All right, I'm done for today's work. I'm gonna grab all my stuff and go back inside and enjoy my evening. I will see you guys on the next video. You all have a good evening. Bye bye.